Metesa sanya na Friday nyame yar mo tena Saturday ana sam meeting no eno ensom abekoso na manager ne say obeste our Atalanta na wakosom aya dwuma dia tiamye eni kwanse ni place ne omobo ensom adema Atalanta no wo bia okonsider se nipa no eni mpobo bia ne kwanse ye tono etumu amoye an ane passion cop minus mo amoye se an ane Ederson ensom ane sa boys ne nyina no report am say kan say manager no ensom demand to say any cross or motor best players and Momoko and I one and I fell two. Many Janaba said demand sign is our bra and you sign him be a keke. Report I mean second Sam. Orano, yes, open players, miensa, our players, miensa, managano, and some penninano, what a high profile, and no signing be a keke arches and some high profile signings are many Jana Abaswaya and Sana won something, one and some let me out to us, Amasaita, Yafan Atalanta, our Bruno Peno, and some update about Fadie, confirmation, and by AC Milan, woman some coach, Yafan Stefano Pioli say, one outgoing as a Samano. Say a similar almost statement and here the washer our screen so I announcement Bobo Crefan Sambelan at Dubai now Jomo can say Yamia Motina Wabra Milan and Bobo Kua Yafan Salernitana Albano and Abe game a chatwo and no I last game at the man manager Yafan Stefano Pioli now just and some bro so they are trolling and no some Anabam Adama just a Milana and the Omadi announcement in the Elba now Abramu Jau Refan Pioli and some okay, sir. Mebeka chose a coach na. Your friend Paulo Fonseca. One ana as of now. Where your favorite archers and Milan Chumediano. One some about me a quality. Jamesa canning on the city and ano. Mereba to just on a contract until 2026. No, metis a 2-year deal. +1. Mabakana data. Paulo Fonseca abeje 3.5 million euros a season. And I said yes city ya don't update in no and some my for another pay and some our short so free. Mama refer to creature Kwaraskilia. What him say Jaminian Sam. Orana, your father said Kwaraskiliano, yes, Paris Saint Germain for the Sakurano, woman tin who jai. Now, only can't buy, okay, said January. Wabra Kobasa transfer market tabi, woman buy Amanopol for the casse. So, Upo Simena on the tone, Namum Kwaraskili and your for sale, and I this summer. Now, Jamesa Kanasamano Casse, in Papa Elco, woman Pobi Amanababe in Papa Jumano, and some now Benkumsua, woman who said the right profile, and some Aya Kwaraskili. Jamesa can say Paris Saint Germain. One more a day, 100 million euros. And I'll call to Ayabobokua. Your fans say Napoli and Panafanim. Now Jamesa can say, or real fans are Aurelio De Laurentiis, I just want to, and some Ayo President Taman Napoli. Or want to say, on your ready so about 12 Quadra this summer. And on Posama Samu Pushino to the wall. Never a chinchina can 112 Quadana. Your fans say Kwaraskili, Amaudia, and you are 150 million euros, not just a brand board thing, and some time for to Osimhen, 150 million euros, no, and I amount to Napoli president to say, or no some demand, na empo, why not just say, Wabasa could have a stay, no brand a signed contract, I'm a Napolia, over Pajani sick anymore, and so I call 5 million euros, I know, and some I update about something, you know, yet the Emma, yet for an anno pay, and some our shows, Ama Sansamino, and also about manager, your friend says, and Sansamino, yet the more and some ababa. Now, my main front two when him and I pay say, who rem and some more Bobakua, your fathers are your bossa. That be sure already come at Yamas Rodriguez, and I'm no Casa Hamas Rodriguez Bonobo, and some our Sao Paulo, our Brazil. Now, I had Jampan and yesterday I said from no and to what now I could have in your call World Cup 2014. Our Brazil, I just say, when your tournament come up, you can Real Madrid Casa Cotano, Wamosom Atono. Now I'm trying to buy a Trasam, a yen Sempi, Rodriguez and Nindam, a Premier League, Everton Ho, and some any day Aman Cosedie. Now I say Siko and some other Quadai, and a Namano Casa Bueno was in Ama Sao Paulo, our Brazil. Now, Jamina Sam. Yes, and say, Wobu Kobobola, many Jane Mani Mobi. Now, Jamensa Canning answer Sao Paulo game almost so quackaboy. Diatoso Makumaku 6. Now, just the last 6 matches are Sao Paulo Akobani Nano. And yes, I could not find Samus Rodriguez. One upon the bomber Sao Paulo, no one was in your call up. Ama Geminiano Sacotano and some Abasuoko. Yes, said transfer market to be a summer. Nasabia offer me Bana Sabatoso Mukwandia and your reference Rodriguez and some Ababasuabako. Now, who some say, yes, Sao Paulo for say, now we'll grab us in there. Will be unsure interest, say, Colombia, say, be a Paraguay, say, a Premier League, say, be a Europe, and answer day. Yes, a Bessina Menoka, say, Tim Pianua, one of Ashpros interest, our Kodana, Yafana Rodriguez, and to the last 6 matches of Mopono, so Unya be Modia, not just a hard jumper, and no, I can't Kodana Swaya, and so at the buffet, young co a year Real Madrid, a Brontena, Yafana said Tony Cruz, Yenim said Cruz, I say, oh, yeah, Jurosa, one of Abaretai, not just a weekend, or born the last game, our La Liga, I'm a Real Madrid, Yamiadama next week Saturday, about the last game, our Champions League, I'm a Real Madrid, not just a Tony Cruz, and Bobakua, Yafana Real Madrid, no, one was a story about Naria, na and nano paid the Abban say, yes, what my plan is, and come from your tribute, Emano, and once a Tony Cruz, no, or you'll be a few Bamuch and Abba Madrid, no, I'm set tied to be I was watching, and some other Real Madrid piano, Tony Cruz, I say, and think Kobe was a fatasa, I was some Amopana Basopa, and on it, Tim Nson Tenabone, and think a tributor, I was some for the man, no, yes, I was some Kayaka, see, now so as simple, said your Ura, your father said Tony Cruz, as it report to Aminan and Nano Penny say, Cruz and Cora Queste, Sabia Yamo Jam. Emano yanto party emano ebia barbecue bi anasempo womonya debia dance emano na momo yes wo ka so mo kipu ne amasempo na so dia me se kan sa supporters ne se omode womo tifo na cha so omode banner kasiye pa ebeba benebo weekend di ewa brom game no enom aba so eno ye one eno wa che dia me se kan sa manager ye fa ne Calancelotti so womo game womo bon weekend di no report me se kan sa manager ne ma kodano emo boni nwie obamana boy drone mu kakra ama substitution ababa so and say bi omo bona won say bi coacha ye fan san Ancelotti e ya kodana frimu a menkodi atam e planned adia men say kan say obeyina from say bi adanta banabao abama standing ovation our bra standing ovation owura ye fan say Tony Cruz abenya nyame ya doma enom aye weekend we no am say ye shedan ten pani samda e bi an shedan si de our bra Samponi de Abaya Juma Pantubon on Papa. Now, many Janabina from Ama standing ovation, and on some Basso Adiamo Rua, your friend Cruz Archer Sanano Peno, and no update to Alba. I fed your Miami Yonko, or Red Fantasy Xavi Hernandez, the Minion say, Yamiama Sante, Jafi, bought the last game. I'm a FC Barcelona. I fed the Anya, Nastansana Walla Porta Atekino, yes, many Janus and one of because what take. Now, Jaminian say, Sunday, as Xavi upon the last match in the year. I'm Sammy Bacasa. I just said next week Monday, and I said next week Tuesday in a meeting. And some other coso report to me say can say Sunday no. Oberina the chamanda. I'm no run Ebesia I meeting. I'm gonna Xavi Asia meeting about communicate and some chance of penny. A Jumana party young to me. I'm on to Asubium. Now, O to Asubium Eberhagen. And I was say Yatia said I papa mo. Now you call and I'm a catch out, sir. Just Xavi and you already say. Nisika was from the man ever brano and some idea kind of contract mu and I said be a compensation fee no what is so one CD and I said be a taku and I some poor one for baku say and check club your fans a bouncer and they were cook chance of your war and say one more year Jumani Nano, Mona Mosaba Dada, so I'm at Twaso. What was no poor Casemina Muda, ain't a such a be anyhow, Ebia Chasaka Satra be anyhow, and it's I, what can some Sam Yantimin compete, our Europe Panunti, Mobua Fu, our Brabu Fonimono, more Pamon and Yate, Nadia Sahano Cranasa, Sir, yes, Laportano, Eco Fre, Prince Zahavi, Enra, and in the Casao Fonso say, Tie Mens and to client and say, one and about the next manager, I'm a FC Barcelona or new season. omo bo wie mafana chim a plane a chese mu chukuno a yese manager na ha no pa ama sane ma guso ekoso no nyina no wo kai owura fa no se one Gaspar owura fa no se Gaspar so no obi aba betena so pen na Gaspar say you want to just wono afutuo ketua bi no de mema Zavi na Gaspar was say you want to just yes your freedom of speech meboa yes our freedom of expression meboa enokra na also be out and found also to me ka asem bi ope na wo coach akotena ensantrofo anim na waka no kura turo do sa team amukitai muntimi compete our Europe Anyabiano obi be say Mr. Pop be say my mouth be gone. Na just say Anyabiano Zabi nanom eyetuo I mouth be gone. Asmo kan yesabi ekunipa anasa asay nipa anya no kra no kan ye montiase na de o kan nyina say ha mo basa fo na moto na ana an ana laporta de ana laporta de ha any one more pass na socials no eda so to socials so bianca hwe amufus ekoye na laporta anamonto bi a wotu ne dwumade bi a di and near be our danity be an echo etia FC Barcelona and the Barca Bobo no and some above brand and one pass mutu amaya shahan obian carry na sanyo mani no and some agusu alcoso na ama situation as I say and no some alcoso to report I mean yan say nyame yar manan komo wesan kabia and next week Wednesday and an cancer flick omo other partner hontoma and I say be announcement tababa na mo meba be room our studios no report I mean yan say be free be next week Wednesday and some adaba next week Monday announcement and ababa into the young monitor between Monday and see next week Wednesday obate say officially Bolsa and some other announcement ababa say woman next coach and some Yoruna your fan say Hans Flick just no and some update elba na situation alcohol in tenai meno kase bamunchen yes omo dia omo kaso ba be put pressure na omo tachire and omo monitor the akwa to dame no obi gina chire no omo so omo hwede akodi na Frankie de Jong no womunya omo po womu ntena ema manju emefa enti de Jong ya akoda bia womu so monitor the situation pa and what you Robert Lewandowski crowd here minya fela bi say yes on set time e ba says abi so obekọ na omo kan so den na emodo money no em say omo France flick em later you ten ba ye send yes flick any player bi a onim ne dada e wo ba sa din komo otutu oni so dia ene ni pa flick ene no na adwuma pan Lewandowski says manager no kwa player ne kasai na ena me no kasai latest e ba no say yes Lewandowski so no woni ba bia ko otomoso tetenten ana mosiana ne sika na just water so onso no ana seso just kakase pa na necessary kware sika na awose boss etuare ma kodan na ye fa no say Lewandowski no ebe so achende already oje ama demi nya ne nyina no say Lewandowski yesi the sika no ano ana be problem ono so nya ready krasa mpo ebi obetie na wati so san so buy no woji kan bete so ana odiabo be say bia one season awie wode born second season boy no and some who was step beyond this season our brother sika I was ordinary no ono so because what je our brother no and so I update about on some no yet emieter from mami coach your friend Eric Ten Hag manager and some other Manchester Boboko no FA Cup I won't come and yet nyame admatena we are get now just Manchester derby abaso mo coach na no peme because was say this time mumum mobile bench na chese mutim no abaya solid apa na yebisa coach no so pani and yebia match way abaya game atwato awo Man U ayo last game and also abeto aso yentie Man U coach no.
I have nothing to say. I just focusing on the job I have to do, and that is first win the game on Saturday, and then we are on the project and keep going in the project. I came here to win trophies. Saturday I have the next opportunity, and we achieved this. We earned this opportunity as a team, and now we have to go for it. And in the same time, in the last 2 years, of course, after every season you review it, and then we will see where we are in the project and things that we have to change. But yeah.
Yes, and again, some Manchester manager now tell ya den excepts Emma ye tell for anano pe e wo show so afei ye ba Ghana ni akwada fa no party na Thomas Partey ma be kan some pediatro update when necessary see kwadiam say Partey so ne Arsenal e be hwie because me ram e wo studios na latest aminya no say sa na be ko Partey kwa na chess e be bia kwan ama bobo kwa fa no Arsenal wo mo so matimi assign ba ku me no bi enso aba be shem e wo medal e wo bra asom na no na chess Partey e be ko sa me catch one no say e Galatasaray and Farina Balchi and which is Saudi Arabia offers no so aba na mom de minya no say Partey be ko ama Arsenal and your crowd be tobi and some ade ashem na Chelsea for no say yen catch one supporters you know say wo mo be sign the next big thing yeka the next big thing na chess e be true nipa wiase nyina be gina tum Sompa o ye coach o ada say na mo ka Pep Guardiola asem no sani pan ana Chelsea edene beba na me catch you say nipa otosoma ne makoma konan omo sem aye mystery na chess nipa no wo bi yenu nipa no be si na me no kasai na mom yenim say Kera McKenna Enzo Maresca and Owura ye fan say Thomas Frank omo miensa ana Chelsea apetie wo breaking it down wo mo say Kera McKenna no oyobi omo sem on the switch aye adwuma pa and watch McKenna our experience our Premier League nimo one Jose Mourinho aye adwuma o Manju asa aye adwuma our Tottenham and Kera McKenna wo mo fu so omo de ba on Premier League nimo babua ama nyoma so aye kama fei wo mo say Thomas Frank and some ayobi senior figures our Chelsea ni nyina no wo mo say adwuma coach we abo our Brentford or don't qualify by woman relegate woman baby and then you Premier League team with me don't say super say Brentford I established Premier League team I just some relegate and say what do budget I compare other clubs in the budget just say bobo ko almost see kaseme so no na so many jay to me any akasefo bi and some press am no kasai Brentford edge no na so and no I one ebiem almost say our personality or your good communication and what me adapt our bonus a style of player what Mr. Sansan and Sano am and your some kama and no I Frank dear and so Maresca diano one so open style of play a Juma one Pep Guardiola so ya Juma pay our Man City and so Maresca and what the Leicester area Jumano one same and also diano a your possessive style of football the whole time it will be on a Pep aya Juma dear enti anama Leicester for share goes dudway Leicester bonus why if I shall come on no one some I improve and it's a manager and some I who the best of his cycle I'm to the about a place our Chelsea in no and you and some about just no and some I updated from us what the bar yeah the one something no and some I'm here for the Jumano Mora you found such Julio Petegi and some West Ham yes was what Adamola Lukman last West Ham for some winka no one to the pass Adamola Lukman and also Muluki what per man I'll be looking at now say look man I'm no casino and some other almost what the bound something no yet I'm here for Jamie Carragher saying Washa Jude Bellingham almost a Bellingham or a star our Madrid or Bonio Koye Namam Oka player pa and nay woman fe or reference says Danny time massa Nancy Danny jump pet and also popo tia boss so down show 1-2 j just as Dan the boy ba just say I said he was watching a bon a quanifa now babenkum now quanifa now babenku defend our coach how to see from I just Dan tiaswe seal not just a player baby you coming no was it nipo man Kaisi Dan I feel 14 and Jude dia obi abeka dia sa na mom ono Jamie Carragher otiri e ba so obi abopo na so hwafel 14 and ya kase ya na aye kama pa na mom owura fa no say Jamie Carragher o say England and Timisha France ewa Euros mu mani nya yeda na the just say ko ba so mum yanu hia England and Timisha France no yentie and some owura fa no say Jamie Carragher and some other man central for
I don't see how England beat France. I know it was very tight the last time we played, and I always just feel like they've just got that.
You don't think England might have learnt from that?
Maybe. Listen, you're talking about Harry Kane scoring a penalty. Yeah. These are the tiny details. I mean, Bellingham's a game changer. You know, 2 years on from the last tournament, playing for Real Madrid.
Mbappe's proved himself a big game player, whereas Harry Kane hasn't quite done that in a semi-final or a final.
What I would say is, I think England.
Yes, indeed. I know a kakra free na swear about face shark mame. A year boss in Celtics. One of them no kasai. And so I want year can say playoff finals anymore. Our Eastern Conference Urama Adeche no pay. And so our Ghana and a Celtics. Amon Kodano. 1-1-2-6 against 1-1-0. And some the internal persons. Our Brame kasai finals. Our Eastern Conference no. Wama take 2-0 lead. Nemom Akodaba ko still show no. Anom denia atwa kana sa flyer. Your fan say Jalen Brown when you have 40 points and you rebounds 5 and just a 3-pointer made or your Makumako 4 hour brano and some Jalen Brown and the coach your fan say Joe Mazzulla Abanabash after some game machino Yente Celtics coach and your piano or met with the 18 and Joe Mazzulla and so Ekasai.
First thing is obviously transition, and it's a 3-step process, keeping them out. And, I thought transition defense was good, really good, kept them in the half court. I thought our individual defense was good, and I thought we were able to get in driving lanes and get out to shooters. And they test our discipline, they test our communication, and I thought we handled it better in game 2.
Okay, yes, inti no meza say bibia find here.
Oh, nyame adom fancy.
Okay. Yes, and then so Kojo cancel win Ebofia. Me am Kojo.
Oh baby, don't worry.
I don't permanent need dim go from PK ya e dey asan am say una ofre me.
Oh baby, don't worry.
Yes, meza yenkomo almost in cow now no to say so to one hour ya say we are penance agenda neighbor yeah o to ya say
I mean
there's an agenda I don't know serious things are going serious things are going
man. Wow.
Yes, why the message here chair shall I say your video back
Masa
Omoma city shamo chana Sompa and yes I'm funny
I nearly buy Alice at Pasudesi Street. There's a Pasudesi Street.
Obajana there do
Pepe this you call say drip say panai. Let's say you quick. Fancy. Let me say and there's a whole lot of stories going on.
That's right. That's right.
Yet for ni ahwefo nya ntiase kakra. The dey kan me fan sha ase fan free cashew. Italians. Oberhe Luciano Spalletti, ni team wa make ana call up away. No need to go into the individual players our from, but to fully understand the biggest issue that the Italian national team has faced in recent years. For listening to some near forwards no mo moko Euros no. And Francie, I've always been insistent. Say, I think say Italy Yankasan me ametie me minim say. Omoje World Cup 2006. Fancy. Then you almost strike an top scorer.
Okay.
Omoje Euro 2020. Then you almost strike an top scorer. Italy have gone into top competitions and then you almost strike an go king whilst they are winning the competition. It has been historical. But anytime beyond football changes as time goes on, maybe to say Brazil see. Whenever Brazil was going into a tournament, fancy. And I'm sure you tournament, and the portion number 10, no. And you're the best player, and the portion number 9. And you're the best player. And our best. But when list Nimudini and say the Brazil City corner, and you made this, football is opening. And then Oko tournament now strike and Nadia was Subeshi. Over Argentina, walk up on Moko G. Dating an man focus Benchilo Taro Martinez Nemo Julian Alvarez.
Yeah.
Because he added something special to this particular Argentina team and helped Argentina alongside Lionel Messi to win this particular trophy. Now, fancy, we share Euros no strikers a man for Deco. Now, her performances a man for be putting it up. Now, her listed there, your screen use your fancy Di Maria or Robert Huama Italy. The only player with double figures when it comes to goals is Gianluca Scamacca. Asa, Retagui ewo fem. Ramsadori ewo fem. Osloni ewo fem. Stephen Esarari kanu mre kwa de ko die wi ewo san ko tena nche mo bi fufuro be wobi ewo fem. Kiesa ewo man wa yin ho apie Zakagni. So fancy I feel a little bit me was sympathy be the man Luciano Spalletti going into the Euros with this particular kind of strikers. And no way moment for this or modi or mokwa. Goal scorers a woman yes saying. Pellegrini now I should go yes saying. Florencio no I should go yes say. Fagioli should go say. Cristante should go yes say. So if you're not having good midfielders who are proper box to box midfielder who can smell goals. I'll bet me arriving late in the box and I'll bet me ball with a lot of goals. I fancy the Maria. Your attackers with dear.
Emfa.
Let me say just some mere defenders in the they know the move.
No collectively say bia and necessarily say bia attackers but goals no bet me every baby.
Fancy or mom woman midfielders and how many of them let me even 10 goals in a season? What am I say? You're scoring midfielders. And even the wingers no more I has a partner. Zakagni, Kiesa. This season they've been poor in terms of goal scoring. Stefan Esharari, Roma no pick him no bomba ko one match obo we no Ginidia. Esharari no asakwa kusinche. It's a big problem. I want to see where the goals is going to come from. For now, fancy. Then if Luciano Spalletti is able to create more goals from this particular squad, then let me say the status in the best beam because of that particular performances. But fancy, yet that's sorry and pay Hansi Flick ba Barcelona manager. And officially confirmed the from Barcelona. But agreement has been made. Say Hansi Flick in manager from Barcelona. One Laporta Beshi Xavi Hernandez no in Dinkomo.
Sompa Sports.
Hansi Flick is not the solution to FC Barcelona problems.
Flick.
Hansi Flick is not the solution to FC Barcelona problems. Let's do this, Fancy Di Maria. Hansi Flick, the peak in terms of coaching, head coach, I want to use the word head coach and a manager, came between 2019 to 2021. Abraham Bayern Munich. And obviously the Champions League, the league, SSOJ, the DFB Pokal, the count treble. Before that, no, not Fancy Di Maria, who said Nipa Waji treble, the Ama Bayern Munich was sort of Hanks. And an etimiaji. Na that coach is about to Chemano Muntimeji. We are no free one ma. On no coaching our coaching head near TSG 1899 Hoffing and one on and one or the other. And obey assistant coach the Germany national team. And are they exposing the Kesepa so Sakofa the Germany national team beams of Wako head coach and your man said dance Uncle Yan Fanya Day and Farmano. Me Udi honors have tunes and yenny now compared to teams no mummy their coaching no more Mokofana. I'm wondering how Hansi Flick is going to get the best out of this particular FC Barcelona team, especially when they are in a transitional stage. Or more try to win in the short term to make sure so media finances be a bit me abo mama plan better in the long term. You ready? Because if you understand now why any players now why you know. What the ma coach be as a short term one for more achieve be oh how coach you know. Oh, how coach, you know, but within the short term, you know, or more try and they are forcing themselves beyond their limits to win something. Say that to plan better for the long term and make sure say in Kulano Mobano Subenya much more experience. Kubasi, Femi Lopez, Yamal, most of these kids no more team no opportunity to explore, get enough experience and help the team in the future. Now, me Hansi Flick. Time over Bayern Munich Kababed. I'm not for related said the whole season. That's on the air. There be Niko Kovac played his part. Before I ever sack Niko Kovac no. Now Niko Kovac elusu one match in the league. Pe. And obe lusu to Hoffenheim, Sir Frankfurt by 6 goals to 1 or something like that. No mujano kwa mane koye. And Hansi Flick be fair jumano. All 3-1 makone. Na Bayern Munich toss 4th on the league log on match day 10. Fancy Niko Kovac age team ni one mako. Ama Hansi Flick ababe to aso no. Na Bayern Munich winning the 3 games in the Champions League group stage. And on the league table no with 9 points. And Hansi Flick be for team no. It does not look like I said Niko Kovac jai team no baby and not team ni pro na team just say atetia pansam crown and Hansi Flick be for team no. There was also continuity because the previous year with Niko Kovac when they had won the Bundesliga. Now Alphonso Davies that's all. Now Goretzka that's all. No more these key players. Thomas Muller, Munina, no more that's team. Robert Lewandowski. Lewandowski was the top goal scorer for Bayern Munich even the season before. and sana the following season omoba amani kokova kasha asiama Hansi Flick about befa adwuma no I'm not disputing the fact say easy so be adwuma to on ma betimi ato aso ye ho adwuma bi mo ya to on ma bi mu ba ya wo be say no I give him that particular kind of respect say oba ye no at least Nico Kovac de no ye no oto aso de ye dey GBB. But in terms of building a team, in terms of getting the best out of Nkula, in terms of the situation Barcelona found themselves in, I ask myself, Hansi Flick will experience be dana. I think I've never doubted Laporta in picking up coaches. But this is one particular appointment. Mike Nelson the guy said, Miraho. Miraho.
Say, to say more of sentimental decision.
It's more of a sentimental decision.
Because I don't know, being so full say someone will run a kind of reality. So what checking you my sanka motino masun be 3 years ago. I know sanka motis a month mean compete to Europe.
Fancy, you may not agree with Kwanya Xavi Hernandez Babo and Timber can Simbi. But I believe they've not also shown respect to Xavi Hernandez.
Yeah,
in this particular approach. Because Omuna Metre,
because you post Koglu now your ball Tottenham or ball City game we want to ask more cocaine. Post Koglu say I feel once the foundations of Tottenham will form. Was it the last 2 weeks no dear or Oluso to City you know?
There's something about big clubs coaches normally no. Oh, actually, who say with the FA? Kono. Oh, Remo, I say Mike Forrest no. Oh, actually,
FA.
Ni na e ka se nua no be ka se ni na
abusua Remo bia wo sibre.
Bia gina kwaku. Me Sompa Flick, Fancy Di Maria has not proven to be an exceptional manager when it comes to handling teams at the stage that Barcelona have found themselves in. And Germany national team has proven it. Because it's also the transitional phase of the German national team. Beboa. One koye who they say Barcelona Muniska with the top players are pedi amawo. Anna, he's eager to prove himself be like I also Bibi. And Fancy, I strongly believe Hansi Flick, what I'm for Hansi Flick win percentage being two screen so me had statistics 1. And Fantasonier had the BCCA. And over here, a Bayern Munich fans we had
Sompa Sports.
Victoria Bamental and your team beer it 36% Abekase players.
Hoffenheim
99 Hoffenheim 44.90 and your Hoffenheim team win. Or more or better bread than the lower divisions libino 44.90 because a small team. Then Bayern Munich lifted it up to 81.40 by Germany national team the end of the day. It exposed him and brought him back to the level. I didn't say the level at number 48 in the movie. And we saw the World Cup, various videos and of course the dressing room. The attitude and all of these things were there. It was evident. You might not respect Xavi, but what Xavi has done with this particular Barcelona team can never be sports. The same thing that happening with Manchester United more in terms of disrespect. 48 hours to a major game final. Then there are briefs about Manchester United speaking to a different manager. I believe Ineos might have their own idea of appointing a new coach. No doubt about it. Obetima Kasa Karen McKenna may replace Eric Ten Hag. Nobody actually cares about it. But the manager who is there, who is currently doing the job, our final bono, show him the needed respect. Because when we say on the stopping the entourage from speaking to Bayern Munich, when they approached them in the first place, because he felt so no, or he needs to give respect to be a two bet me a jano kwine, ubet me decided so nyano kwine. But fancy, me dear, Karen McKenna, Monday boys in. I'm wondering, see Inter Milan pressure womb, Oakland for about the team. I know, say, what is the vision of Oakland? A dear na Simone Inzaghi because soon in money net nasi. These are coaches. Are you? If you want the best, you pay for them.
Mate, me da say. Me buy e fa so ansa na me de Michael Asarabodu ahwie. Na be hwehwa ne ma so kakra na afi ya makwan ama eloka na bansana ye kodwo nso ababeto aso kangen. And na je drinking water kangen pen for say omo erane promo no omo rane no say na woto ensuo 500 Ghana cedis a obenya ensuo 200 Ghana cedis free unya no bebia ye kangen ensuo a chese 200 Ghana no ensuo no tamu a chese pii kwa ebe so ne chese wo household ene wo busuafo ne nyina so ne nyina no so ne chese eye nsupa a chese nsuo yi enye nsufin bia na wo kwakoto onu mu nsuo sanse eye alkaline water out the pH tester enso test out mu sampa nsupa na wo to no ema wo nkonkonya kidney emu hawo ema wo nkonkonya liver problem ema wo nkonkonya akoma yare bia ne nyina no eye kangen energy drink and water the next 2 weeks eye promo e panwa oba no wa beto no the normal 190 to 500 Ghana cedis enso amanfo to na wanya mfaso nso 200 Ghana a chese no eye kangen e de Bremen UGC Tafoot New Road and Alphabara Ruth omo junction so eye 0241 449191 0507 379474 now on the kangen empanfo no enso enkasa virus say bibi I find it
nyame
okay
bibi I come pa fancy we are saying mun some dozen enu ntina nei nka obi anko de Burnley akro relegation de nka ede ne yese Bayern Munich pe no but we are saying say ade bi a wo yi bia no wo bibi push you ma go into greatness but the tie ne say wo ja Bayern Munich team ne say si o momfa coach e bi o betimi afa na ye fa na obi anka hwa maybe e be Pep Guardiola because on as see nyoma o ye no hwe coaching ne coach say we are say you see nyoma you say okay Pep there or bad will be happy with you will be fine in nyoma because bibi anton chen so mo fall out with Pepper they wanted to bring in Uriah Nagelsmann because means say nyoma obey on pamon no they needed someone with my
Sompa Sports
but say unya Pepper you want to go in for the disciples nibi and disciples ne be ni here for you talk of a bia Arteta so any sanko from adwuma edema Pep Guardiola omo bot se wono no ba unya Arteta sisi am no kasai now can pass a can 1 year but Arsenal for no they are uncomfortably they believe say he will still be there with them because of adwuma matimi start nti unya Arteta so you want to look around and know say someone wo ha obobo the set Pep na wa ye adwuma da Pep da na ne nyoma se Pep na and you look at it and see that be Vincent Company wo but you are good at your last job or the Burnley relegation but before so the Burnley be league nim no I wonders why na man for be break can asem because we nya 101 points war in the championship and performance I know what I do on many believe that he is that a good coach or by in the Premier League who send your man ko yan fama no e Burnley resources have been in everything ya there form until now we go back to relegation and now we say bia Bayern Munich betimi afa no we so betimi adwuma no you cite example with Alonso antimi amfa Sociedad B no anye nyoma Vincent Company the Anderlecht any eye Burnley ye until you say okay betimi adwuma no oba obenya resources ani obenya resources no dey adwuma but the thing say now he's going to be measured with Xabi Alonso in the league. Yes. Because now Alonso Amiyan will say young coaches they have something to offer. And this is in the more money Arteta any Alonso Ayekana you'll be measured with Uriah Alonso. Debentia. Bayer Leverkusen resources are saying. They believe in young Tona players now and Kongo baby. And they will come in for Gane Xhaka. Someone asked now for GDS is a finished product. But they brought him here now. Yahudu Ababe or Maji Bundesliga no. You come to team friend Bayern Munich. But catch him say be a Burnley when your resources no. And to he can't be competing with the likes of Manchester United, Chelsea, and so budget no. And until maybe you go back to relegation. You come to Bayern Munich, you get the resources, but pressure now Burnley no. I had no so bebre. And a chance Burnley when your resources here, you get the resources and they will demand result from you. So looking at Vincent Company, he's a good manager. Ocean your man knows he bought with Burnley, the real bomb possession football and how I know and so it's set it out every book game no afraid of playing. So you could see that this is someone or be fit into Bayern Munich DNA but Bayern Munich and now who did not park and so did not dagger to coaching kwa.
Yeah.
The politics in there. No matter what Bayern Munich team name, the dressing room you need to control.
Even from the top.
The egos, everybody what Bayern Munich feels
Sompa
that guy. into who is Vincent Company. And when it comes to playing football, people will say, okay, you played with team of Manchester City. Pep is starting and your man on the starting into football, maybe you play to the highest level. But when it comes to coaching, you've coached a handle it. What coaching Burnley now to Bayern Munich? That is going to be a hell of a fire for Vincent Company if truly when you Bayern Munich Jumana won't make the place easy for him. Look at the managers are rejected to my friend Bayern Munich. Alonso Anko.
Yes. Nagelsmann
Anko. Professor is Anko.
Ranick.
Or no Swanko. Look at managers are able to
two councils are rejected or
more nanchain. When manager of coach Bayern Munich they've had issues. Pep Akoho. Ancelotti. One person that many believe is a man management. He's one of the very best. Okoho kunya issue. So Bayern Munich hono a place for coaches or moko nasa one team yam fit no one settle boys be or more system anymore. Definitely you are going to fail. And then Nyoma Echo. They are not going to lower their standard say a Vincent Company neighbor. They are going to look out for you, say you get time and matured into that kind of manager your person way. They will know say when you come to Bayern Munich, you'll be given the resources, so you need to hit the ground running, go and green us everything obo. Omonka say Bayer Leverkusen Ababaji League into now they are going to compete with Bayer Leverkusen. They know that they are the favorite. They will come to Europe and they know that they have to win the Champions League. Imagine Vincent Company in the game where one lose first maybe 1-0 or 2-0 to team with say Real Madrid. You expect him to conjure magic. It's going to be a hell of a time for Branton so Bayern Munich.
When is obet me stamping authority and so team.
On to mean stamping authority because managers are co-man team. Yama for Jani Jumano. Bayern Munich Jumano. Eh, Naka one them Bayern Munich. A place if not for anything. O signing ya you are sure saving or more German Bundesliga and Karawaji to enrich your CV. Ayahu Hansi Flick and I can ask me a team bay. Bayern Munich in Tina or in the discussion table be able to do so with Bayern Jumano.
Yeah.
Obi a was Barcelona 8. Go okay this year COVID. But was 8. And the sign your man in the winning percentage will be any winning percentage in Kodu here. Our bar Germany at Tibaform. A Bayern Munich the man at that, you know. But now people are running away from the job. It tells you say honor and your baby a month for want to go. They need to start doing things the other way around. Getting people out. Now if you judge man man maybe a recommendation from Pep Guardiola because they are in good terms with Pep Guardiola and he believes, oh, Vincent Company which my Jumano. But reality Nankasane say, I say be worry. Now my papa say, oh, I read there for us. But so kwa warena sia a wo any ukuna na wo no yere Bibi ebesi wo bia no mo de so ahomache de so mu say bibi sina ye power ni so a so my papa de wada. Nti saa na beto Vincent Company aduma ne ye aduma be ye den e de ama no. Maybe obetimi aye with their loans aye no. But the Alonso Nankasa will come again to be the measure, the measure Vincent Company. To overcome the Sompa Sports. Vincent Company. And I'm for believe is a agent here. You go from Burnley. Wafro. Actually, I wafro and actually get to from Burnley relegation. Then you go to Bayern Munich. Hey, you wafro pa. The chance of fancy. Laporta is someone that you trust him with Barcelona and to be or more. Why do I say this? He's someone he's done it. One time or Bayern, he came to improve everything Barcelona. The socials, Sikasem, field of play, trophies, and everything will be improving the more. And until he was given the opportunity to come and serve again. And Bayern, this is beyond Pelaporta. This is a club financially, they are weak. And when you are financially,
you say from Nekosi 2032. I was about to loan of 1.4 billion euros. Or my projection, a crown, I bedroom 2032, no means mean to us. So it means a store and no man yet.
No man yet. Siken ho, and Sassy can want to cry the money, yan say. Necrano, says side hono. Sika one home, or sign this can was a can yafe. Bob Brabono Casa Cassia or talk in the shape of Free Madrid. Her players are mother there, Sambo. When she come back, Baby, you got to dance over Betnam and the comfortability. Our boy and my team friend Real Madrid. So what's animal when now? Oh, that's show and nobody, but you wouldn't expect your true person to come out and say, your team they ain't been competing. When Madrid is competing favorably, it's more of the reason why Xavi as why you know because I know it's work. No convince one thing, but not small can say we can't compete. Maybe they would have expected him to come to them and maybe overcome. But when Timia now the Asaki game, but with the tactics and everything there, Manfo believes that no, and he was learning with Barcelona. But what you lead them home? Yeah, or Koba Hansi Flake, Bano. Didn't America say Laporta? You trust him? They say why isn't that? This is the person now. When you talk of Pep Guardiola, who gave Pep Guardiola the opportunity to do the job, what the baby you gave it to Laporta. And now, so help Pep Guardiola. So maybe he know what he see in Hansi Flick. Germany. But with the job he did at Bayern Munich, maybe the resources were there. Unyasika the top players, and he did the job. But maybe Barca he will come in with the little that he's got. Maybe one day they can compete. And maybe so I think you trust him. With no what my end, you trust him, you do the job, and so for them. Manchester United, they should keep to Ten Hag. Managers neck, I'm not going to sound
because coach bay.
I saw a system anymore.
Maybe rest through calamity contents on session per Jumaye. But beyond some person,
quantitative, Joe certifié, Thomas Tugia. But someone just here will come and say me Manchester United. I'm not no with them no.
Sompa.
I'm be Messiah. Now be your free Sam and more na. Omunyan to was here. Look at someone going to play a cup final. Now you see you heard your baby Tinana Kunyaso. Managers na hold you. And who would up him? Papa ni na man for more. Set Thomas Tukia and I yanka February mo. Kabaya Munich and Gazel Mujan coin. Until more dear no tina Bayern Munich. A whole Bayern Munich is going in for Vincent Company.
Mate,
Omunyan to was a matter hang and never test how.
Varas Mate, me that say, well, I be back Michael Asarabodu, so na Jean's toothpaste, Jean's toothbrush, your Jean's total care, Jean's herbal, and a Jean's whiten and Nina a toothbrushes and no, our Ghanaian market and so and a fee banner brushes and so on. Your prince, our duke, your princess, our duchess, a fee, your Kwadani the Nina so a can we are munchi bin fanko fee, what a brush tita, brush a berry rouse, sinteme a yaw gam no and dodo baby a molest and a wono, ne gigi leftovers and everywhere, basana, and monum a yesham, Emma Bribiano di diatene day, and man wonum enye bibio, and a fesan bow seno, and so by now ball gum, and so I won't buy, and yena babia befabia benya yas toothpaste, yas toothbrush be out of 0501390337, and I face 0501390338. Kujon cancel Lewen Swaba. Waba. Mike said, be fine.
I don't fancy Lewen wa mentioned that and check. But yeah, shall with this. I think that Oko Gomoa Feta, the Village of Hope. I think that almost sending message so more monitor show no.
The Village
of Hope. Yep, Eric Asante.
Okay.
No say. Throughout the week, they be the host.
Oh, nice.
Staff for more Village of Hope.
Oh, Gumwa
Fete.
Wow.
Yechia will be a Nyakupon Shamu Yadamasipa. Again, and the birthday of Nations FC. Almost see you, Alexis. Kwame Chumesi Dankwa.
Oh, okay.
Yep, Alexis. And then Awoda. He's a fine gentleman, brainy as well. Neniso Jimidia. Alexis here with so happy birthday. We're from Sompa Sports team, no.
That's right.
And I face from Kofi Poku. I am communications. I am officer. On also say Yamfa and Mamona. I am Miaminia Sisi. Our Cape Coast. And then Awoda. Emmanuel Sisi. And Sisi, happy birthday. Nyamisha na onya ukesi. Fancy. Football deals with errors. Error na ye remuno. The difference between the head coach and the manager. The era we are entering, the fading out of managers and then the ushering in of head coaches. Yes, it's how things run. What Italy, was Spain, Saudi Arabia normal. Until you be but ba beje intini or England. Intina ama discussions ni na ye no. I'm telling you for a fact. All the coaches are able mudingi na as clubs in the penomo yade.
Yeah.
Yep. But they have not carved a reputation say omoya amongst the elite Ain't na man fire be skeptical.
Yes, it's say be a Pep money Ancelotti money Jose mo category no.
Good. Mourinho started as a coach. Pep started as a coach. Ancelotti started as a coach even way back 94. Italy team on the bar World Cup. Ancelotti was the assistant to Arrigo Sacchi. Not a coach. So every top manager you see now started as a coach back then. And almost started as a coach now. The more experience they get, then they are so comfortable and confident. Say, or betnasia negotiations are when or they because or the history or the success or the achievements and it won't mean Fred Pep say me person obey a head coach because club knew a vision. Rather, Pep will now bring his vision on board. That is how things work. So when Man City wanted Pep, he laid down the grounds for them. Say never say me. So City had to twist or change their vision to suit Pep Guardiola, and then the Omabenya sa culture.
And yes, I'm going to mean
exactly. But every top manager we see now started as a head coach, and that is how come they are still good tactically, but there are other aspects to their game now and more dance. Mourinho, he started even as a translator. And son Oba first team coach, Oba assistant coach, first team coach, and son Oba Mourinho na ye name now. So the club structure abira England, an imported one. And I'm say the typical UK club structure organogram no, a manager, then the director of football, the manager and the director of football BBR, then there will be the CEO, until any manager and the run it line in line. But in the current football structure, ye imported about the UK no. The technical director or head of football and as a director of football and a sporting director, na head coach nation I say. And this imported structure no, it is because new ownership and swaba into the more traditional English clubs and they follow the original football UK one. Almost the same. Liverpool is no more that typical traditional English club. They are being run by an American owner, Fenway Sports Group. Chelsea, assistant. Can we move to Manchester United? The same. So they are adopting models proving successful across Europe and even in America. And Omodiaba. And Omofan Kofua. Some model no Omubetmaye Muejuma Edim Faswo and Sodiaba. That is the simplest explanation I can give. Now they believe that when these structures are put in place and the right people are employed to work, then they will deliver the success they want. Into football nearby be free, a manager profile running a team to a more structured organizational unit will be a playing role to bring success by a collective.
Okay.
Into 2022, the quota and a ratio of managers versus coaches no in 2022 fancy. Managers now no more Premier League, no more 11. First coaches and now head coaches or more Premier League, 9, say or 20 Premier League.
Yes.
Now, assistant. The managers we have now, Bakoko, Jurgen Klopp, Arteta, you upgrading from a head coach to a manager now. But David Moyes, we have as many as 14 head coaches. The rest are managers.
Yeah. Because Anna Slot also be a coach.
Yeah. And David Moyes, Jurgen Klopp, they were managers. They have exited. And now yes, head coaches, not managers.
Sompa Sports.
So you're fading out, and now we are phasing out gradually the era of managers who are becoming face of clubs to a more structured unit. Club and now every top coach be about top club there will be a technical director along with you obeji dine to say they also obeji dine
me sure says a Pep cry Jai City next person be a head coach
exactly
yeah but because if you Jai man say oh your manager now obenya say like the big seer won't mean your man Pep
no it is because the coaches that are upcoming are fair no muso jintini. They have barely gotten chances to prove themselves.
Yeah.
So it would take time for them to also groom themselves and rise. I'm saying a era because eras come to an end. Mourinho era no started with coaching and they are ending now. Pep now is not even a manager. Once a ofra a stage beyond baby a classifier.
Ancelotti is not even a manager assistant. Oma Brosa manager tag neso. Pep is now a leader because our disciples they have taken after him. Omusuya Pep Dioye. Now he is more inspirational and then a leader than just a manager.
Rick Wade, they say club said Slot will be manager, not head coach. Yes, the speech ni mono. T. Our Anford. Okay, say now
the
your next coach. Oh, sorry, no become manager. But Ubeye Juma under Michael Edwards, manager.
Liverpool na appointment and your club.
Yeah,
Liverpool appointed Anna Slot as a head coach, not manager. Klopp only spoke and there are times everyone use coach manager and coach interchangeably. But if you want to be more technical and analyze the roles, then you will know where functions and you're more of a head coach than manager. Ebina to Pochettino or Spurs, they upgraded him from a first team head coach to a manager. No be complaining so my manager, but Ejuma was so and one of Daniel Levy Agini into a win 4 months later they sacked him. So these things you can use them interchangeably, but the actual meaning to roles, any of the functions they play. They say head coach is different from a manager, but they're similar. So Yantias say we are phasing out the era of managers and we are ushering in the era of coaches. And your coaches they will come not with names or big profiles or munidi or munya bibia, but it also does not mean they cannot do the job or perform the functions or roles they've been assigned to do. Differences woman and then I'm a person at CSR. In the case of Chelsea, any appointment or more, and then I trigger my United for needing Komo. Akomiane Varas, Monfanche United. United did not leak it. They have not disrespected Ten Hag. In fact, fancy a normal practice say ye be season be a club be an evaluation of the team. Now, in evaluating your team, Obeshe, 1, the technical team, 2, the playing body. In the season, club will start discussions on new players. The same applies to the head coach role because you never know when Obiba Befa coach Ako or you never know when a coach no be giant kwine. Be prepared to miss at any point in time. So, bear 3 months to the end of every football season. Fancy. Clubs start preparing the next line and I said the next decision on be taking for the future. One of them, in the case of Sompa, they have a decision to make on Eric Ten Hag, which they have not made. So behind the scenes, they have already been shortlisting on more candidates. And they did now the Emma United for taking the initiative say, you need the reps of Kieran McKenna, Ekodin Komono. Ni because Chelsea have shortlisted him. So United want to already announce their interest. And here they told him say, oh, yeah, Peluta. And it's a go for way background. Monya where say register interest or more year consideration be monfire and fan. There's nothing wrong in that. It is only the league now, and the league did not come from Manchester United as a club. In fact, United no. Eye boboku anke Ghana anke Asante Koroko. Se media na nyo mo ho asema nka. And Tom
Mate.
So please understand them and forgive them.
And PR na bia.
Media na kofa ba. Yeah, United na.
Mate Mike me da say you say ko John Kansale when you did can catch us and the winner one on one e wa hanti Luther ebebem everyum e wo fie na Yahwe Lucas na ansa na ye de kojo enso abanemom St Andrew Senior High School for abane bread from 1 from 2 from 3 ye J wabofra no courses ni na ye bi eba no say bi akọ and electives subjects ni na say no mano and so ewo ho adesua na church for nim domodo ba no enso be fam ye be sia akoda na makoda no be hwe wasi na wanya ne nti se bi aba na hwe wasi pen ana wanya resource awo pa bomodi anso de akoda no be ba St Andrews Senior High Environment enso aye serene afa make out say your ICT center science lab ni nyina no enyoma ahyemu ma a chesa akoda no de ne ba boarding facilities aye kama pa ye ne Rich FM ewo the same premises 0244 696911 0207891004 St Andrews Ebejoso Luther Sebibia Yokedie
Fancy Nyamia Dom now swear
Nyamia Dom kakra wa yan shansam na se wa fise mu abram panyimfo ne abadwafo nyina sinkonwa ne yan hyase emfi Ghana the Black Challenge omaso ye Ghana the amputee football national team omu gina akono ewo Egypt eno na de to anim so omu bo omu quarter final game against omu efene Tanzania ampa eno game no etimi eba so na mrante no ama ekom a edi wo omu enim guase a oman panyimfo egu omu anim ase no omama na amu omu bam omu che Tanzania ehye omu kanan ema Tanzania te kanu baako Abante Yusuf Yaya ehye 2 goals and Abante Hamza Mohamed ehye 2 goals MVP no ekodima Ghanaian player Jefen Hamza Mohamed mino kasai Ghana the Black Challenge ye amputee team no etma qualify ekopem the semi-final stage Algeria and ebepem so Shadrack Mam the road to the final Masende at the amount na interested the city say Ghana ubeka ya second game ni Algeria and a boy ya share woman na yeguso aye kuko ya san Algeria ebe share semi-finals ama be kama ochina ewo Cairo Military Stadium ho and a semi-final game no ebe tima to drama bibia eso etimi aye kama yentinsim ewo the clash of the big teams ewo Ghana ha matu ni the azigridenden clash eno the super clash Asante Kotoko and Heart of Folk and the airpim so na dem de two anim say nyame pa day kwesada referee empanyufo pointina obe the center referee game no Rastum Gamili Senagbe ono ebe the center referee obe ginam atwairam obe this season March day 19 Kotoko and Gold Stars onu ene ginamon the year 2022 Hearts of Folk and Asante Kotoko esu akra sa referee ya ene ginam Rastum Gamili Senagbe onu normal pointing as a center referee like when you Paul Etimaka line 2 Courage Kudefia and a fourth official Dr. Imoro Osman omo and betrama bibia eso etim ayakama eso edi amount and which no MC eso Augustine Asante and be match commissioner and VMO Venu media officer Nathaniel Jesse and be Kotoko na to folk game no etimi akoso and which no yemro name for to folk ni Kotoko and send some kakrama mo say Glade Otanga when you invitation to a Congo national team for the double head the World Cup qualifiers and I'm some Heart of Folk a man team kwam or join your picture and dassophobia a man congratulations as a gamer or me friend Congo ever bomb against Niger and Morocco World Cup qualifiers Glade Otanga or my friend Tinyam Pasante or Becom Sategaro Comfort obe shikaya yi obe komsem owie na okọ for national duty na no anwumre am touching it down atima wo ese Kotoko abanjo Uganda ye fa Steven Mukwala ono so no anya kola poko pem Uganda the Cranes akoba adwuma momom enti sa game na etotwa no Uganda afre Steven Mukwala ana Congo afre Abrantia Jefreno Glade Otanga eno edetia yede emamo dwumade no so nemfanto anim say ahead of the redemption day no senator Hearts of Folk Asante Kotoko second round obia 16 goals and a second round obia mame the last 10 games are Asante Kotoko atena fie and Hearts of Folk abo said their statistics and results no koye o join Sompa TV and that's the last 10 home games are ba early games are Kotoko and Hearts of Folk abo no Kotoko win just 2 and omo alusu 2 and emu 6 aye draw the last 10 games are Kotoko Hearts of Folk abo no emu 6 aye draw has a win 2 Kotoko eso awini 2 eno edetia me de emam ewo edwumade no so mam head to head between Steven Mukwala and Hamza Isa Steven Mukwala deseno no one Hamza Isa currently Ghana Premier League na air course no ope omumienu statistics obia no Steven Mukwala about 26 games Sasuna Hamza Isa about 24 Oko minute. Still call about 2012 minutes. And Hamza Isa about 2055. Now, so far goal scored. Omiono Piasha 12 goals. And Nasco MVPs now. Steve Mukwala aje 3. And Hamza Isa aje 1. And no Omumionu Obiebe Shawai. And Sunday Oko 13. Ocean go toss number 13. And no Ediaba. Yadimam na Uramo Santi Kotokwa. Rocky Jamina. Also reporter Eba and said what Shasia. Warrior train Dima Santi Kotoko. Henry Ansu. Eso Ashasa or Rane Kakakra. And Jim Wekino. What me Ashasia. And watching Isaac upon Nema. Nema sono onya malaria and I'm suma kotoko game omni brekum Chelsea kobo eno when tima mobi reporter say malaria no ko ama Sunday game no be jam dama kotoko John Tedeku ashasa o kekebo kakrakra Dr. Ogum olusu game entato folk ase kotoko coach da ni nyina na say wa win 2 and what draw 1 and no near Roma ye no panyina ye fa ne chairman kwakwam ponse chairman K5 ba ye mura from panian shasa wanimu pa and ye busa chairman say chairman spiritually kotoko e wini anaso omulusu ye ntia chairman kwakwam ponse K5
who mustn't no me catch your plane say a bobo say ya kotoko be sha
chairman patro say si bi mo say
me say sunsun mustn't no yeah, Bobo me no kasa ya me se kotoko be ha. Ba sunsun mo bibi atumi sesa. Enti ye twa kopinsi e bebo 19 minutes. So because it's asma making obo se house ko so ati ahwe. Omo kro ma ati ahwe dada. Omo start ye kra ache. So enti won se omo betumi aya omo tie ya ade keto abibo so bi asesa no. Enti ye da ho akopinsi e bebo awie.
Chama goes be pie musala
no so de ba kotoko be ha
chama be say
minka
enu ye chairman kokopos a former national council no kotoko circus no mo chairman eso enu no wie ne ebuza say chairman na e ba sunsumu ade wo kan hatful so omo nantepo na won kotoko wan da soro
minia no kra ba akupe abrofo no na asesa sakasa ne ya ha ne kan dudu but ni nyina mpaibo me na make sure no kra ba akupe wi aso ye wo no ye wo physical ti se de me no mienu ye gina ha ye kase obia so ogidie so se ye wo spiritual so ho yesu nsu mase no obia okwan ofa so afri ni nyankopon ye pese ya se bibi edudina eno de enye na sese obi obeka se bia oboa ade ntina meka so oboa okokura kakraka especially China Australia or hono 5% and 10% cry okay and so more cost timia ye tiani se kotoko ni has the boy yen play ye supporters ye adwuma ne se kwan bi e be fa so a ye be many pa park and a kwan bi e be fa so a ye be motivate you playing body because football the product of the team is playing body and a technical team a kwan be fa so e be motivate omuna ombe nya ahodi nkese bi abobo and afa mpaibo and ye mpaye bi be be ko bi e be konkobo mpaye sai team no class ni na benya ahodi e bi abobo no de bi no so you benya good luck e tu bu sai sa na tie
and we are chairman kwamponsa and now ram phobia for so ya omama advanced party no ram ewo eye kumase on be groundwork no said be ya on be ba fa wi no and om support pa waji de friend wayo and be say wayo say sunsun mu de ese kotoko wini o now so spiritual matters no obeka de na afa ho
na say match no me ka say ma kwa chiro say ye bo susu start no diamond no susu baba form so I'm about to almost a place I open 12 o'clock I wait Sunday 12 o'clock and I didn't see you so what I say do the can now the can quarter no word bim maybe so the can quarter word bim
Debbie
mo susu dada omo sa no mo ye ya chairman K5
o kwaku bu sama no so ankuku saa wana pompa nyina paaye still I want man she has sai bi na o ma san start no ka we chairman keep of madam for pa no so tie me a on tie ni yi onko kwaku bu san onko no hobi opon so kuku opon so amon so adansen mon so a fense tanka ni ma nyina still ye 3 points me bakra
enu ye de tie na bra no kɔ ma wo sɛ ɛyɛ kwadwo anya tena ase na one fancy de nkomo no e ba beto aso de amam na mmɔ no miensa ye wo feelers bebra ye de ba ma concerning Asante Kotoko and had to for game no nti fancy ye fancy ana
Lusa meda say mama ma ɛyɛ kwadwo akwa ba na afi ye nko break na kwadwo sɛ bibia ɛyɛ fine there
enua bibia boko mani agise mo discuss about the football as a midfield.
I say wo na wo bo adubia na
me say na mani agise mo analysis for match na ba Kotoko na has but Kotoko na has nye team na team bia nkuma de mame I'm just me I can the best player in Ghana of course is me the highest paid player in Ghana me you know so Kotoko na has bia me say me mama Kotoko de am telephone say kama twinga has for betting ni so kwa kwa bet me nka ho ntino Samson and has for some get to me so anka Kotoko me say nkura no because I have a lot of experience with the ball
asanke bia be registration na chine na obi ato register wa
senator na Dr. Kwamche wona nko to me
no Kotoko no
yes na nko to me
ana ma do code bia ase
abra yesam wie na no ani be 3 months on beka sai ama me kushare office unity oyo hono
okay
ama kushare press no ama oka offer bi wede man bia better time no mintimi betray alaji Yakubu Salam but what they say no one Ghana one Africa one football team you know yeah
now to Sunday na be say
me myself also say any team am wo na I don't want to predict you know because me yan kwankwa de man because no player in Ghana can compete with me I'm telling fact come more speed more turning more crossing and me over the whole Ghana hanoma abuchi me colleague ma de ka me colleague ne map mo ne halan mo ne we mo no don't compare Ghanaians football say me colleague no he's not my colleague say map halan mo o say uba abuchi mama football no free kick corner no throw no a chance to win to score goal Baba Ghana free kick corner no di agro be me New York Best United as my team. Besides Salam.
Now how
if I get
goals to Rosen now nya.
I get corner free kick. Well, that's okay. Let's my time when you
Akwajo mi hu watch o
television but my doors into but still no over league ni mai and that first financial that second
open dem pa and dem des one carry why dey nyame show ti ye break abay buy na captain e be di nkomo is there and so bia wa ko bia so onya army general and am say
yes but station bia on advertising with the man because I'm the captain of the industry.
That's right.
Football, music, and the movie. I'm the captain. I want to lead this industry to move forward.
Because I could not announcement said the equity the mobile be uno. Water flight in my yes or announcement. Won't you crop break about real quick? Your banner, your name could John Cancel win about to us. So, Wizzy Empire, your bar real quick, your by CA.
na mete se wo ba no se wo kɔ Canada
woko suku
na yesi agya pe aba no nso okɔ na nso no de okɔyɛ adwuma
me say amanfo akɔ no enya gro
jaye no ho na de won kɔ saa no
Express Group for ya
Express Group
yes Express Group obia na nya bre pese otukwa kwa ama no ne de wo de obekɔ simple if you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and and Germany. They will take you there. Let's say a visit. And now to Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa wadobeko. Say ya Juma Swa wadobeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Asafo Leba, Runabout Wa, and crying. Kanechi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashebi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, El High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my bebre so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw. Ɛyɛ say ɛmani peduan kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare ɛntwɛn yare ansan wakwa koto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Eyedro say FDA agye edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben adani ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena de ya mokubu Ashford Princess and obra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy wo de na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
without Ashford toothbrush
my dear Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear papa moto ne to me bro dodomi ye dani bia akwahyehe ho Ashford Prince Ashford Princess Ashford Friendly Ashford Evident Ashford Executive ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes Fibo Ventures na kofa bedwaso etu phone 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934 Ashford toothbrushes they will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag it.
Brother, and not to him.
Not tell me about Michelle, see about Queen, why me and say,
Bra, said your time about Mister, it's your Jimmy me fearful, and not your back ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, so me cousin me the time about Mr. Juan Dancia, we are singing now about Temenka, 87 malaria, where drawn the time about Mister.
And you go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What drawn the time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. The woman for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She said, walk a hospital and answer lab. I'm what said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziva, a woman. Even trap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA Aji a judging cratoi at all.
fo a ekɔ animu yi ankasa prekese ne sɛ nua baby nom ne yankeka bom di afa abɛɛfo kwan so a yɛde ayɛ prekese powder prekese powder siesie nipadua na baako ahodo no ho ban afiri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pii ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako ɛwo ne nsuhye yeti anopa ne anwumre wɔbra wɔdidi awie wobenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunyane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong Etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agi atum
Original Games 2024 Wole Monko Ghana's all-time top scorer, former Black Stars captain, Samuajan, the baby jet at the Original Games 2024 edition of the Beshishaso Original Games, a mini Olympics, just a mantam doing Sia walk, my Ghana Muno, women in Abesiaka, Ewomu Epi. Now the Tiani said, we are Babuno, so your bar and our Bema, when you finish here, a do what air corner, you are can see outdoor, be any football, volleyball, arm wrestling, boxing, athletics, basketball, table tennis, and a lawn tennis. So nimsa Gremubia Oyadia, but what do you call your website? www.alloriginalgames.com. Nako register Emma Omantam. The Uyade registration, Ebia Ogana card, and now a passport or national health insurance card or birth certificate. And on how to register. So your registration via Yabema data or the back Mantama woman no acquire justify your inclusion. Umadi Mosanipe Mantam no Ebefao Edu account one final tima Wadiba the grand finale Ebebaso 4th November Engrano Eho and a trophies, medals, and ya Chedia Hodua Edasono Mantam Nina Ebeshia Nomadia Feso and Benefosia Magania Magashia and you Wamagaho Sao Penchemubi Afre 0267 084048 Jumedie So Peso Swasini and now sponsor call your website www.alloriginalgames.com. Original Games 2024 Wole Monko. So wallpapers, papa OP wallpapers, and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say perhaps a hodo. Baby Bia wallpaper, dear do Juma Biano. OP wallpapers, Efro. Yama wallpapers, a macho blind curtains. A banner bedside lamps and so on. OP, MR types, or mark shapes. Colors out nina. Ubenya Biato, Ewana Sweho. Say open LED backlight, at the above flash screen a chair, and also OP, Ebemo. So self ring lights, Ado phone bishim, OP wallpapers, and a bema self ring lights. OP Ewo Kumasia Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building Nemu, Tafo GNTC building, first floor, Anna Chronom, our barrier on the market and Edian share. So open wholesale, and answer retail, any OP, any in South free OP, our 0540 353750.
The Mama Kwababa, Gentleman Dental Clinic, you may be a idiot. Say you be CC will sing na your bow sing by ama wonum and so acti and I say will sing animal yam so after them to my pa if you fix one no and I say you type for the permanent one no and also you see a untimi aim to give and no and your friend PFM bridge and I say PFM crown afi you sign a cleaning services about your profession no na your friend is killing and polishing say ebia and never be ashishe esenimu say you okasa itimi ma pampan and ade ebewu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station and Chenwa and I would do and so I wonungwa and atomic down don't make being a runabout on so and I would do takwa the pipe one traffic light na a pipe one yene OGN bank na with the same premises and a kachiman so your magazine market equine so and I say opposite AY Ahmed and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction total filling station wa traffic light na and if G runabout on free total filling station I have sign on a edio a free Eda Joda Popem Eda Memeda. With me, Afreya Homano, it was 055 913 9582.
Yes, Yemra back and Afi, Yemetwa, so live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93, Wota 1 FM, and Afi live on Facebook. You also, Kojon Kansala, when Wizzy, Empa, Ewa Hanti, Yababa Ziziana, Yababi D, Young Common. But in the meantime, what time about Center for Ediomo product and about pharmaceutical, Yashobu Biamuna, Fe, pharmacy shobu Biama on Sabeka, time herba, Meshawe, Droba Kwas, Oyare, malaria, the Yanosobe test or testing a bass. Mwano ebi ewo mojen mama why am redrawn or pass on your basa e wiane pie kakra so why okay draw nwumre so na wo ate agu so wa draw aye time heba mesha oba wa fafro enyama wa foforo lactating mother oba ni tuanu fu anu so enyama ana wa bofra no so nyo bia wa diburo emfie dumienu a eni kwan se o man num bi ebe hunam yaw ana afi wonu ato aduane enya odene nyina na time heba mesha ana ebeboa wo kama draw na ye fa ne time HH ba mixture and in the capsules adobe tobia ya dwumakro enti se woto time HH ba mixture esiesie wo ba woten kaso wase kwan ebie ma wase amoaye kuma bi kama madrebia no wukunu ene gye ho ana fe ba na capsules no so a eno so aye same ama bema so bema no pra nsuo ni nyina frim ama nsu fita bia ya na terefru bema mu ba ni nyina ejai aye 0244 417-669 cloud internet unya internet our fee say ban stable internet connection our face say fee and the offices no money cloud empen for enkasa sansa wo reliable wo affordable internet wo per fast wo boss one be access wo dey streaming wo dey dim koma for the do juma internet connectivity wi-fi ni nyina na yede bema CCTV camera installation e ban say be digital security locks and wo pa aye cloud internet omo and also call omo top high womo ene ayekuma my rural bank no and so our building bakumu aye 0244 601933 0202 699 110 21st clinic I want also kona kwaje wayawesa na ehono makacho say udru ho a yade ne yetu ase yenso ano keke san say yetu ase a enkonsa ma biem tiabre bia no ya bomodi anso be call 21st clinic we squeeze back na illustration here say ye expert in sciatic enunti mo am wo problem e mo sciatic nerves intini na e free wachika se mu ba wo to ase esane ba wo sire ma fe wo nan kokom e ba wo nan to calf e ba bia e ye wo 19 Achilles e wono nyina no say e mu twetwe mu tutu wote yaw amachesa nante on kra yaw den a ya bomodi an so be hwe 21st clinic and so achiri akwanye ne ba beboa sanse machine no ye de abefode ultramodern laboratory ultrasound scanning nyina ne ye bi ewo ho ana afi body massage so be massage o body no amachesa hode mapan so aboni preduane mo odru kumase a report odru kumase a ehwa overseas junction ye ben alpha radio afi oboase aye council quarters court junction and crime dome market yo sunyane ye won kranza ye wo techima sehwene ne importam nyina no ye adwuma 0540 311 311 0249 311 311 na chesa onimpanfo no enso enkase beba so shark mami lead na afi memra kwadwoso na yemebia no
Mercy. Le win the cinema wire kasa. Ya jana you need to roll. With the empire. What the Ghanaian people called the warriors. A country called Ghana. Ghana. The Nigeria fool. The Waka Wawayasi. I'm from your rounds, you know what?
This is where you hail me.
Ghana don't want to cancanya your manager party. I will sharp.
Casamento, Unhuana.
What are you maintaining? What is the kind of betting when they get from what? May when you could say not to bro for.
You talking about me?
No. You're talking about our history.
You better be.
Yeah, I wanna be. How too white?
No, bro. Me when you make skin of that man feel what the country my bro. Papa. Hankabi, no direct story near top stars, no one more. Master Wama Viviayo. Senior Ghana Fruit a country called Ghana. Marseille, KNUST CCB Auditorium, Memenda, 25th May, Signania Isbert Hotel, Memenda, 1st June, get senior 200 Ghana cities, VIP, or 500 Ghana cities. Special treatment for VVIP. Call for reservation 055 0098842. Lewe na sinefo for na pa country called Ghana. Kakema shodo kwe kusume. Basuma yanko premier idie. Supported by Midima Forever Hospital.
That's a man from Zebia out there.
And you mean, dear, you know, me kind pay. Ghanaians will not take me serious at my music side. People believe me in the movie side. But it comes to the music, he take me as a joker, as a comedian. He do it just like that. But I'm seriously big artist in Ghana. If you are mentioning, most of the musicians have a hit songs. I'm part of them. But Ghanaians don't take me serious. But it's good for me.
Because shows, the one shows.
I continue to do my name. Me do my name. What I say? Oh, December shows. No artist in Ghana will shows share me. Artist in Ghana will show in December. Omoya where?
Yeah.
Meeting show from 15th up to 5th or 6th January. America ko bobia before Sunday be do say 15th no ko.
Asan kwa na nkuru kitom for no so atwenwa.
Ana menya ba stage nso di aboa. Because what chess can abehwe me. Or some most can otua unya so mfa so. Ana me ba so me na me train
some passport.
Me memo wasa. Na masa ma nwum nti minyi ma won serese no. Oh, my piano nzimpo kra be cool life before.
Yeah.
Asa na me bejimi kakra. Na masara nyuna yere asa atatu. On sa nti memo afini nti ma bia mabo show bia no. Mabo bi mabo ba bi wa 4 and 5 bi sida.
Yeah.
Konya adia umbo biem. Ti me ba bi mabo bia no obi asenya me sele besa boba. Me na bi sare da bi. Manager ha maba for 4 time entwen ma be performance metoso. Asune mo patch okojo omuso mu hia ho wa na bi hia ho. Oda se ntino ya ho fama ne odo amede sia adwumi because bibia me mfa ni agro. Me mas mo me ma chance bia ma no because nyame de ache me. Na hwanya me feed me ba ho ache me. Adi nta me mfa ni agro. To a wo we feed no wo di agro ma bre memani aha ana ase ahomaso me mpeda we na the per connection room na me votic. Wo fe so no votic. Sika na wa charge me hia chama de wa charge say 10,000 ni hia wo.
Yeah.
Ukona mpodan ko akwase na woko. Ba bi obi na ya ma odana. Etu aka nkwa de nkasa.
Yes.
Just one night. Meeting ko show bi za me DJ tu ko show no. Be company. Abia kwa mpo ye. Wo munya tete mo bia. Na me tore wo bia ire. Na matrampa no so. Ye di nkoma mo sa about 12. One no me stay in so. Me bo wie be 3 to 4 na pa na me start kam.
Yeah.
Maji betwam la be ni motor be didi o. Wo da trase ena me mpempa. Wo stress organizer. Wa manam ni no ho. Wo benya hit, unya show mo. Ana wo hit Ghana ha, ni am feel sure. Oboka to agu. Nti jimi ma organizers. Na omunya ni je wo ho tu. Wo fa hit kwa ma ya. Omu don. E ro to so. Na ipushe ku anim. Ana makwa so me yentwi ni. Wo ya tisa makwa ma organizers ni entimi ntwi ni. Wo ka so beda ka bia so e be se dum. O se nka wo dan wo ka. Wa bo aka 10,000. O se nka wo didi. Na so on fama wo ni pia. O me ka se bia. Wo do ka o mu ade no sell chain the colleague of organizers here food makwa me ntwu ni nti neso o say frɛ no ma dada na nhim ni wane de gini nyina nso na yere
wako
ansa na wako.
Oh, okay. Well, time nti o say ba we no so real quick me kai say interview there some no why serious of interview way back fida dem ni me enu nyina
me no it's about fan form.
Oh yes, oh yes. Enti na me kai say na one can sem bi nti mani age pa.
Oh yeah, makata kata ne maso aye kwa ho akazi men kan sembi o se nsem se ntiri mo sita no e ma bo dini mo ne o se ha kwa ho nsem what is okay.
Well, the last interview I'm no here o ka say near the industry no come on I say to say be no say levels to say movies no be a first no na ba be say they now to the Jokoto ye part 1 and 2 be a coupe be ato that time old kejetia karamo demo no was and sana later ba be CD no say DVD say then later class be mu start here pen drive kakra na amfa na say ba YouTube they say pinnacle no to say be abetimi akọ Netflix ba can play say a 6K camera and they push you my way
of course say me target adwuma akọ other platforms so international there yentim fa cameras na use na ya twetwa CVC and so powerful the budget and no new standard there a bit more ebi Amazon and Netflix okay because say you may be an as may you society or see me who be am pampa and I'm shy to 200 ma na me cameras na I see the piano Black Magic go check in the net 6K Pro Max latest camera about platform so ba ko bia na almost 130,000 140,000 and lens
when you rent no so renting a day cry be wom
rent a day be 1,500
oh
and so I was a lens what about tripod what about sound what about light ni nyina so to be
to the what to
I can't call Ghana
yes
camera no me street lens bibia 33 lens no dey e fa close up and e fa wide no fa middle ni nyina bia so bonko lens kwa ebibo de sene body no
oh
enjano na adwuma me dey abatru Ghana say Ghana from here no fa compare adwuma above previous one nyina be sene
like quality sound
quality
pictures ne sound man nyina
adwuma no be quality sene can't call Ghana
yes me sure say a country called Ghana na mama yet say be the first and last product I be a cameras our cray be good them keke
debi on say about franca say we be me smart time be no mu ye na makasa kase tina
some passport
nya ka to da what to can na 2024 no 2025 no different time but cameras every day night be no different one ba omu aso Netflix no be say do mu omu kwale say be go abontan say be kire say e be Black Magic in the stam na yere hia e be different camera to be say twa so ko lose ko kekenkan na ko to camera na mu hia sare re e ko twa unti nto da ko han re e fa twa bro mu ntino dey na to be no sa so e be twam e be twa bet e be twa mu be more than 5 or 6 because after I can't go Ghana no mu ba ko e kese ba ko pa e powerful journey to Africa and no say the Black Magic e na be twa
wow
but we just say e be twa ko ni mu hansa na foforo re but was have this mu sunu mu best na e be twa
okay so yembra product we ankasa so to say a country called Ghana no minimum like idea ne buy and also Nigeria so the market ne so and Nigeria for mutimi use ni part3 do me movie but movie no so ati ase unsampa movie na wo hwe say amanfo kan wan you bia o Ghana na free bam Nigeria Rams no one nominate those guys
on in Nigeria for has use ni part3 ni part2 no on say omo be no mu channel no for the YouTube no
Sompa sports
channel standard no on fat video be yes but the movie no office wo twa premier no the Nigeria cinema sene more stars involved
okay into the area YouTube media
you share more ka sepi go no say o channel no o ko tumwa e lose again
okay
I say be hwa na ye hwe I say tum channel sabe de office movie na wo twa powerful say o premier da ko bia different outside in the crane fat is more than that e feature the legends no e ka ho ana ba house was nya Samsung ezere ko ya ha na be say this kakutu bi eye YouTube no na enya sika ke sefi ho no visa ya dwa paso no to so a ena na amfa 2 months na amfa the year to come no mo say afa be big e bi na reason pa me say ase no after juma we na nche no abra me prepare for a journey to Africa no me shase atwa movies back to back.
Oh, nice.
And the museum channel, no. This is time where I said distribute the or the TV station in Ghana.
Okay.
I could say, Tampa Swambicha, you know, Journey to Africa.
Some are by the Obama series, no.
Of course, some are Abahadia, or my house were high in Fiji, any abwa, no one new movie needs new series, any version where the Abacount. It's time Bacon said the Minia Destiny. And we know. Also, Bacon, because we everyone will do one, unti may name Basabasa. Increase my level no mintim so le mfa kan say me ku twese e be YouTube ne majana ebasa be say me tim stand na was started no also kono sa tim ma fa order that singana bibi adwuma na no data oti e when the why data organ e bia no was script abla
okay
yes bibi adwuma na oti
okay
or script be for bibi adwuma na ho kakra we na wo twa for street we fanga be twane de Batman be twane de all the data in the movie industry.
There's a more say be shemukina.
Enkabomu.
Okay.
Obi anyi bi sada. Wiz Empire na say e beli nyina ebum. Hwedwuma ya nipa for 5 and direct edwuma wi.
Sompa sports.
Jackson ba direct ne de. Big man direct ne de. Sampa ba direct ne de. Nipa pi akosi bodu aba direct ne de. Obi abeba. Nko Melaka Samuel Yamche, Mon was a benedy, as a bit of a benedy. Oba, now Fisa won't yasia. Won't say, I the ambassador near Bay Mabuma. Now, because I'll see more dread, a bed you man who do America. You ma back where custom, that a 420. You're artistic, you're the monitor, source, you're the monitor, artist in dollars. A beer, Begana Quese, the portrait that it's ya, and about how be. As was say we no send about the median same. O calculate me if you want to know papa. Yes. You know, after movie on the premiere we are a movie back to back team for the Greasy Empire TV. A full movie. Me na me kan na me nyan start. And so we no kwakuma no start twa 1 or 2 week egu ni channel ho. Me no about Christmas. See it go. Na kwa say escapa because we timboka be 50 time just movie no 5 days 10 days into na ya hwa baka to egu. This so investing more. We do twegu no ma and then the enwe. I forget for you this channel. Full movies. I want to go. The internal destiny. We put movie to one within 1 day. 1.2 million, 3 million. I say yes. It's no industry in page in here me. To be interested in seeing any movies in here we are. I will distribute all the TV stations in Ghana. Now munya movie that na 10 years, 5 years, 8 years, and we movie corner the whole station no be. Abasa we lose viewers. Come to Sompa movie and we mahena UTV. Between two UTV the we mahena atenka. No. Okwa kutu ya bia ye bi bo hweda be service de e won na wu yi obi ani bi ko ya boka bi stage be billions to what just 300,000 out service atwa yi anya viewers ene ya Sompa mama ha se me mbo shasi maka che me ma ka che o man hene the CEO no tie me so after you we na yen mali ayen kasa. Oh yeah. Because of the last time we came. Less 45 billion. Tente so na ne kwa be fa so be hu e be. We quite fan so got nchen. Ye percentage on this page beam. Yeah. 2% celebrate ye di no. Esa rising beam. And a percent stage is what so no. Esa TV stage ko esa page. It's no se me boka 2 billion na me boka 2023 ya. Opa papa, we dey mam 10 na mam 500. Ne jiji, me say ye ya. Papa me say ko twem yere. E famlo. Ko waka say ko twa, obejai, I'm telling you, boss, obese lose. Ko 2 million etwa within 3 days we yam na si. Once I go 2 billion sa ko twem. Na mu ye twa de banana e fom ma no. Number time yere. Maintain state TV. Yeah.
Okay, so a country called Ghana no bonnet tofa kakrabe mai faden.
A country called Ghana movie bia take over the whole Ghana to need the generation yeba kwa menchini maba. Everything say I told you so. And that you be the biggest movie in Ghana. I told you so. Yeah. This movie, a country called Ghana replace I told you so. The next 5 to 10 years, 20 years, you can never mention it. I told you so again. You mention a country called Ghana. Yes, this is our generation. The movie about the Ghana history. Kubia wana bakwasem. Untimi ntwentwene enko facha na fa bakwasem emetwa na Ghana. Yeah. Hani etie. O say project my Ghana konanim. O say project industry so konanim. O say project our stars no. Me myself, I want to be relevant in Ghana anytime. Tina my series back to back yes sir sanga media dum kamu from media kwa kan and na madwuma na dum ho shim na mani so talent ni no. And if you are mentioning the stars both music moving cinema two stars too miensa one media now uye yipi send you Francis Diga yipi enemies of progress. I say yes editor adwuma menya papa amadwuma the movie a Ghana bakwasem. Uwe museum tun from betchero aka so na twen beje keke. Ebi atwa konfanoche, ebi atwa Hills Africa tetekwahye. Movie na betche different thing abofon so befa call ya. Eno so high kese pa. Okay. Amen fe ni di e ma de koro no. Hwene ma abofo ye ni wiase enya wanwa.
Wanwa.
Ship enya wanwa.
Wanwa.
Plane enya wanwa. Kodo enya wanwa ya kudo de sisi choko what the pray different pattern pray ya bro say up and down na bag sell gum obi alage mensa na nam so imagine enim di nyame de e de che ye de na ere yempe ye jai e de ato na ye hwe afoforo ye me ni nso ne ye wo ko manga na wo se manga na nye de kro ga na ye tan makota na bochi wo de tran ko bochi didi ngana mpanimfo ta wo de kada wo pekere ye tinwem fine uwa ufuru ana eba besie no uwa ufuru baba anoma usura nta kan yere wo de tran ho ye yo nyeska ho
so time ade ne bae no I said, "Man, say metie interviews ni be ni amount for like takes no breakdowns or my."
Yeah.
I said, "Be what quams say I then I need ni pass me so be so only way you close pana ko jump pass was so every ni pana ko fa Rams no wade other guys too na kan ho ne ade so eh u picture it say na ka say be ade na brofo no be fa koye no it na say u broni bi ani ho sana na tie
yeah also abrofo ne bae ana mo criticize movie na in the bad way no. Because show the papalo mythologic be mu nyina no eno wa menya ko manager we omo free am say na omo di tofe
how many na di tofe
because show the o patron ra
sa
sorry na movie na fe na two
me beginning na me say promo mpo na bia
tofe no mu de so ha bia
oh
tofe dia o sa tofe enye ize o tofe no eh bad tough no I say did you try something
nobody have to drink him
I say I never no manage drink hey bes me points no abasa o ka say bia asenya wo pe
ai
so okay
any man would DSA
asa wo kanya nse
and no friend ebo na esiesie
ebo na esiesie asa wo kanya nse wani nti no na nse hunu ngwan ni so ne mythologic ne fifi prat me ye no eno ti umpa on fam pam che na asa metwa so
okay
ni bande wo mo so mu ampo bi antime nse
wow
I'm telling you ni bande ko just ni timi nyase mu bi ansi pimi anase auto take it eso asim majis gas
o ka say ni pan to take it crowd ma ampa moto e
o to so ma na uno so jafo na gu ase
wow
camera bo no bi ti den o control fifi prat Kingdom FM me bande no wana ma ko just ni didi matem me bande no straight one tia said that logic me bande no e bin sida ha kwa me ti ye kese nyame amwana wa no pa me bande o the civil inquiry ni ma bande na fe me wana and one love
serious
and as can on my
wow so now Fusa Rams in a fit sa role no
okay
because me no dim come the last time I back 6K cameras me who say project be one ma huge
yeah
I'm on wiring so be diagro so o kon pine
yes
so street
yes listen again before now Rams in town ne Chasaram Ewilu and that can Ghana for Accra and the Kumasi
yes
answer you be agent script we ejira fransa ko mo de dada awma satia musika be tua kwa mu half no mu entam kura be me sie Ghana for no ene be ne Ghana for no so kasa no do pie bu ni ru no ene kasa ma wajitum e charge yajitum what the measurement e dey buy apempan bibia ne costumes kama ne mpabo bibia e be ka 10 days no se the crew scanner wo charge no wanyi bi mu obeji de burasa oh yes on se Nigeria for it international account me kwan pay bi aka me
okay
cause on se international artist can why go e show na mafoso abi ameji 10 times mafoso je 5 times me say make calendar that so
yes and
how you back again
until so the become
yes because go internet ase man afi o sa make me ntia moving so on kuta lead rule obedi 21 days one check 20 days also be 10 days and the 10 days so no Saturday Sunday one adwuma time no so aben wi na say wa akwasa say
Monday to Friday
bani tachiri ana say bia yen kuto sumpache wansa ye pacho bia so no wansa kwa nkasikasem service kenim san kan kwa bi still jina say 8 days ejintimi chinchina yo kisan data yen hwe de ejba bi say the connect face yen hwe artist bia wo Nigeria or more follow say wo Nigeria
yeah
just chinese ni patu Ramsey ne man dey say o man ba ku ne fin R&B
okay
na ono ne dey yes minti
no she
ti Ramsey na mitimi e ono so no set so just 10 days pe at least 10 days be say sadwe benyame the sense get man here now so okay wow this man price can't price into no Mr. Baba please too much e chinchina je be say we san waje am pa obechem $20,000
oh
I'm telling you always can also
Obechewo
what is $20,000 to the mommy and a casa go me say me artist and a casa amount I for chess up 5-star accommodation win here as we move in ko me film village one 5-star bi no kwa man 5-star be no timisere no e bi no apartment away F2 also okay let's video and send me video sending us wow okay it's okay for me then say how is canary to na account Sompa ha na yakopon ya do ntimi ni si me sa kwa pom se yakopon bo ma cause bia so ma the colleague for the one Nigeria say hey this guy be very careful ma just say timi pese we dey bonam ama we Ghana the yakopon ka 20 million at 20,000
Sompa Sports
tabra o test me say kojo hey bro I'm at airport I'm within 5 minutes our boarding hey what time when you video pesca me some of na minim nua ba mata asem no am for say di matoman tomase ne di matam ti Hollandi ya on be save me Hollandi ya kim the whole world ubia je obi answer me say no wan here ni biba amahwe Rams na me sha na se na me du 2024 betina be ya adwuma awilo chasa ram me na do me ya adwuma ti wiase obia inhye wonanim won sanka to was God times the best this time I'm tired and adwuma na baswa de o ma no eno so ye ko ba so nka we mi zaire ama bibi se no na ne yema
oh because you be sound buy no so ba un say Facebook for no so me bisa obi se me musa say there be mesro ba mesro obi se me musa say o for na club be na support you be ba o we no so
oh say the Ukraine I'm say I am Manchester because of my best friend
oh man you
oh I say Radford best madam for
okay
and an intinam call Old Trafford.
Thank you for the word so sweet.
Yeah. Mama Caspos nyina man den ne kan kam ni papi mun fa prem ko stadium da Old Trafford mu press ni da me kwa mu fa me Oza Samuel na Mourinho and kuta Manchester that time that time ko stadium no na match na Manchester ni Arsenal ya bo 1-1 Oza Manchester ni Man City suni
yeah
we are the chance shop Gucci shop na machine dey ahun sa machine dey guy papa panyini yo ko to Gucci mpabwa pa almost £2,000 papa we
ba wo dey account to
we see hey me that be me pesca ko to cement ono obo bela wi ono obo bela wi we nyini no osai wa hene on sa se
I'll picture nini ana mo dey ato so no and that so no I do into Rashford you ni papa na Ronaldo no Messi nso
if you don't understand me if you don't support
hey they are sempre
Old Trafford yeah that's me
now we so say Messi and Ronaldo
okay Messi and Ronaldo no obia won e bobre on the German for say Ronaldo ni bobo che Messi ni say what transfer ko e cha e say
yeah
what ebu je fiache tu ko ha da montini nhwe se na baba ho wo te twa live be no water be no say o strike the man answer be Messi nyama chana do ma che de Ronaldo so hia ana wa we re ho no wo di agro ade o hia ba san ho
wow
yes answer intino Messi ni we no be feel strong other say it's because I'm an international player I don't want to hear to decide say A and B I'll be a middle it's the sign of politics because I'll be a middle the same like MPP and DC need for so and Martin I'll be a middle or be my member
the way the one you be mo
yeah
on power chawana
on watch music
that bena in Brazil Premier in Kumasi the
oh na me aduma
and him final
Saturday yeah
oh okay
25th May which is coming Saturday and of course
next ochina
and of course we attack
okay
KNUST CCB auditorium and of course standard 8 Ghana cedis VIP 500 Ghana cedis and a VVIP ofra ebia no yere no ba ono ma wonamfo nipa 2,500
okay
nipa 4,500 nipa 8,000 something sana course wa kra
okay
am for say the whole world e bin sida adwuma pa bia ne boden enye odo kompanka standard ka sen ka 20 million e ba sasa na wo sema yi mu ni bia afri to di e bia standard by journey to Africa standard e be more than 2,000 to 3,000 VIP be more than 10,000 VVIP bako 40,000 I know me be free. Now what you say?
Yes, Kulul Ghana Limited. Bomodian so be pay no pani bi. Na wato na what's it?
What's my baby? The kwawe o. What's my boho match? The this time me hera kwawe ko hera o me take to Kumasi. The Kumasi me di bia o. Kumasi se o me Kumasi nyanko to bia me. Ana fi me be wiase fo nyina dia. Ti ko me kwawe hwe ade.
Okay.
Sa we fo no mabia. Oh yes, star magana nyade nta da bia Kumasi afede o bankran. Tina e man fo fi say ti say ma bet people love me.
Oh na
but this premier e bin sida. Afi ma ba fie home sweet home.
I was so Kumasi for ne asante for bia Ashanti region obi amechre do.
My students for ska.
Sompa sports.
Ho no school mo no.
Yeah.
A man for man go. Bia ma me ti fie se ne ba no nkosua de. Ne man so huni kapre. Oba fie ma mi asa ma bia na asa. 265 ne munya. Twa students bia wo bia no. Ukuta card nko a 160 ba be free.
Wow.
We are team no makabo na a program no. We are tinipa 20 ba ma I'll pay the 20 no. Half na ide asoso.
Wow.
Now they ma kwanta for free because any scanty.
That's right.
Yankopani munyambe dead. Na odona ekoso no. Na etimi enter Netflix. It say movie because Africa Ghana, a country called Ghana. The man for a park on Netflix. It's made Africa.
Yeah. When it's bigger than Chelsea.
Of course, we would do.
I say Chelsea Football Club.
Open
me frame. Kulul Ghana Limited Hyunchun capsules bema be boa mo abo prostate ho ban na fe odwonso basa adwonso rofrofo dwonso a wote yawo e wo bema me be jaya fe sexual weakness no sisiade na low libido ne slow erection premature ejaculation adro no eye Mr. Kill ana oba wadro eye araba bazen tablet ano na be yi menstrual pains ne disorders and irregular menstrual flow infertility oba wo ho nsem nyina no wadro no eye araba bazen tablet 0244275429 0206271016 obeso tu kwamkwama na kwaye adwuma nurse ni anasa midwife anasa mpo school for number some ko na mokosua de scholarship no express group and do call Canada US UK anasa Australia fe New Zealand and Germany so express group do obeko take it in visa and sensem ni nyina no o man is simple ama omo asafo labor runabout and cry Kaneshi first light and fitakrade market circle ma pe na osabe express group aye 0249000448 and I say 0555550067 now on impenfone enkasa afemi ka Boris B shaking ho ana akoko na papa ni nyina no benya bi enso de free Boris B shaking na nam de halal entisa woton aduane na woton bi ma muslimi ni a onya bone kra sanse ontomra full chicken ewom chicken rings account gizzard NHS akoko no part bia opebia no ayo Boris B chicken odu poku trade in dum afe Bantama High Street on Presbya so we dia nim hwe ana SG mo e wo top pie on so benya bia to 0544444453 now Boris B and some so Ghana gross jumedie no mo pe juma ya mrantie and mabawa between the ages 15 equals 35 years abomodian so be free science agriculture agribusiness vocational skills and afemeka we say technical ni nyina no ye ne do be free be montete na wanyemo bo e wa busua ni mu number no 0308 0255775. Where Media Ghana Gross no Springboard Roadshow Foundation and Mastercard Foundation and Limehouse and a day a buy. Togbe bank kasi Bilbo Sokalu our session no YouTube Takas TV spiritual olden days and after spiritual talks obeda so there na by for the tea crossbar challenge adebet you tip jawsa ni na no Togbe see am hwede na o ma mo ntrechie ni bi 0244484747 na chese one no enso enkasa na nkomo bi aka bia no momfa enso so kwadwo ya soro so ano no de obeka de twato na afi ya wese betimi afa course no kakra
le meka nchi yankopon hira Ghana fo nyina ne yankopon hira the main sponsor Dr. Tamudaso Bedima for Heba Hospital yankopon hira no waya de full support sebe enye odo no de ahwa acheme man charge no ne mu akoma pa o de atadwuma we achi also ne members enyira ta achiri pushi akante ko Ghana yankopon hira obi a Kumasi bloggers Accra bloggers journalists presenters obi a media for no yangu shem ya kwa adwuma we ma support na yankopon hira wiase nyina president ono so baby the age generation prophet Stephen Adom Chedua say wake up at 6 Accra we a movie festival.
That's right.
Accra me yana once. Kumasi for na twinsia yenko 3 na yenko 4. Omudi agomit makono once. 1 month ma. Papa na land say kuma yenko asafo no.
Omba emuma.
If me of 4 times mpa yenko.
Yeah. True. Yeah.
Se muti mpa ntem se 4 ne nipa kakra ne mo fo na ho ase. Nipa
Sompa sport.
Fo mo no ma be ase yin 4. Ni tama 7 no mo wake up at no. Ne yi fa so awie. Na side akoyinsa anya side ne kwani ukuta ticket what online odo baba sunyan well after pina kuta online ticket e wa Accra ala like us Accra code kuma code nso wudi fa Accra ne ba wudi agwa ma ntino bikuta ticket wo so de ba pina de bo baby ko mo na tra fie onu se bia oba na tem na obe scan one ani de ofie de mba ntam de ya bituma ba mo 2 ana 3
amanfo nso bo aba so pa say why adwuma nyame nkoso no nshraw abesi you are more than a legend learning doing the best and hard work. God continues to bless you and on the wall kwadwo me da se meba so sisi but Shaq real quick happy birthday to Mrs. Salome from Ura ohenena na chase na say ye reshow awoda pana yen kancho say nyame enye wakoma so de nya okese Mrs. Salome from Ura ohenena na chase na reshow awoda pa afi happy birthday to Jacinta Adjoa Asantoa ye from Laganta from Ura Ojo ne say Jacinta Adjoa Asantoa ene ewa woda ye reshow awoda pana yen kancho say nyame enye wakoma so ade enso emfamantia no enso eno no yem fensina yemna yemeto aso wo kwadwo ebre na so ninso na ebanti say wawie eye
I think I'm sure be a chef. Friend Philadelphia phone na ene ya ma me ba kope ohema ma Millicent o wa he wa rempon okay Stephen Chedua yire ngo poshin shira no I'm sure be a
amen no sha so o ya adwuma den yire ho ne koso na ya adwuma
Di Maria
kojo say ne dem say
me no nya so de
Mizo drink. Mizo.